Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, chances you have already been through most of this playlist. And first of all, respect because most people don't finish what they start. They watch one videos, two videos, then life happens. So if you are still here, you are already different. Now today is not another tutorial. No dashboard, no buttons, no click here, no click there. Today we talk about the bigger picture. Today we talk about systems. So quick recap. Let's rewind for a second. We started with nothing but an idea. Then we built a website, hosting domain, WordPress, content, YouTube, SEO, analytics, AdSense, piece by piece, brick by brick, or not overnight, just like real life. So you don't wake up one morning and suddenly own a shopping mall, right? First you rent a small shop, then you arrange products, then you wait for customers, then you learn what sells, then you expand. Online business is exactly the same, different tools, but same rules. So the real truth, let me tell you something nobody on Instagram tells you. Online income is not magic, it's farming. You plant seeds, you water them, you wait, you protect the crop, then you harvest. If you plant today and expect fruits tomorrow, mate, that's not business, that's fantasy. As they say, Rome was not built in a day, and neither is digital income. So first 3 months, mostly learning, and next 3 months, mostly building. After that, momentum starts. Slow cooker, not microwave. Think about a roadside tea stall. Day one, no customers. Week one, few curious people. Month one, regulars start coming, and year one, everybody knows that that tea, or like Indians say chai. Same thing, same thing online. Your blog is your shop. Your YouTube is your billboard. SEO is the road that brings traffic. Hosting is your rented space, and the content is your product. No road, no customers. No product, no sales. Simple. So, why I built A Square Solutions? Let me tell you why I started A Square Solution. Not because I wanted to sell dreams. I started because I believe in systems over shortcuts. Anyone can post reels, anyone can chase trends, but building a proper digital system, that's rare, that's powerful, that's long term. I don't teach hacks, I build foundations because hacks fade, systems pay. So it's your starting from zero. Here's a simple plan, no fancy stuff, just execution. So from day 1 to 15, just first of all buy the domain, hosting, install the WordPress, create homepage, about page, contact, and publish your first post. That's it. Don't overthink. Done is better than perfect. And from day 15 to 45, write 5 to 10 helpful blogs, start YouTube, one video per week, learn basic SEO, connect Search Console and analytics. Now your engine is on, and from 45 days to 90 days, improve content, apply AdSense, add internal links, and be consistent. By now, Google knows your so your existence. So momentum begins, as they say, like consistency beats intensity. Every single time, multiple income paths, conceptual. Okay. Now let's talk money because let's be real. Passion doesn't pay electricity bills. Online system gives you multiple doors. Blog ads, YouTube ads, affiliate links, client service, automation tools. Think of it like this. Your website is land, YouTube is advertising, hoarding. SEO is highway traffic. Services are cash counter. So more doors, more chances. Don't depend on one stream. Even rivers split into branches before reaching the ocean. So, like if you haven't checked our playlist, so just check our playlist also. We have documentaries on history and culture, deep dive into AI, space, and quantum computing also. And we do have video on digital marketing strategies, tech for societies, web development tutorials. So each playlist is designed like a mini university. Pick your lane, learn, apply, repeat, and yeah, binge responsibly. And so on our website and channel, you will find artificial intelligence like categories and digital marketing and web development news. If you want news related web development or article related science and innovation, space and astronomy, history and culture, business and economy, tech for society, case studies. These all are the categories which you can see in our website on the blog page also. So whether you are into tech, business, or big ideas, there's something for you. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge, that's money. And look, if at any point you feel stuck, maybe SEO feels confusing, maybe automation sounds scary, maybe website stuff gives you a headache, no worries. My team at A Square Solutions helps with SEO, AI automation, websites and apps, digital strategy. So you can visit our website and drop a message on the contact page, or you can direct mail us uh, on our professional email address, that is contact at the rate asquaresolution.com. No pressure, just conversation. Now, let me leave you with this. Nobody is coming to save you. Not government, not algorithms, not motivational reels. So you save yourself with the skills, with systems, with consistency. Like hard yakka today, easy tomorrow. But in the work now, your future self will thank you. So if this playlist helped you even a little, hit like. If you want more real practical content, subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't watched the full playlist yet, start from episode 1. Link is right here. And drop a comment saying system if you watched till the end. And remember, the internet doesn't pay for ideas, it pays for execution. I will see you in the next journey. Until then, build smart, stay curious, and keep moving forward. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Take care.